Binance is widely recognized for its crypto trading services. However, the platform offers several other services, one of which is Binance Simple Earn. You might have heard about Binance Simple Earn, but what exactly is it about? Keep watching to find out. Before we get started, take a moment to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. If you watched my previous video, then you'll probably remember that I mentioned what I'm about to say. So, an important thing that you probably already know is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, be sure to check out our tutorial on that. Now, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID when opening your account. If you use my referral code, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on your trading rates that you'll have to pay for every trade that you make on this exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is as easy as going to the Referral ID dropdown and clicking on it. After that, a field will open and all you have to do is type in my referral code. I will leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you will get an extra 20% off your trading fees. This could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. Now, Binance Simple Earn is a service provided by the Binance platform, designed to help users generate passive income from their cryptocurrency holdings. This feature offers a range of investment options, each with its own duration and potential returns. Users have the flexibility to lock up their funds for a designated period to earn interest. Additionally, they can join various staking programs to receive rewards. So how does this work? Binance Simple Earn works by enabling users to lend their crypto to others on the Binance platform who need it for margin trading. By participating in this system, users earn interest on their crypto holdings. The interest rates offered vary based on the selected investment option and can range anywhere from 1% to 20% per annum. Binance Simple Earn also offers different staking options for users who hold specific cryptocurrencies in their wallets. Now, what do we mean by staking? Staking involves committing a particular cryptocurrency and locking it up for a predetermined period. In return, users are rewarded with additional cryptocurrency. These rewards can sometimes exceed the interest rates offered for lending, though they may also come with greater risk. The staking options include flexible staking and locked staking, and flexible staking, as the name suggests, allows users to stake their assets without committing to a specific time frame. This option grants the flexibility to redeem rewards at any moment, making it a convenient choice for those who prefer liquidity. On the other hand, locked staking requires users to lock their assets for a set period, ranging from 7 to 120 days. Unlike flexible staking, locked staking does not permit the redemption of rewards at any time. Users must wait until the locking period ends to access their earnings. Now, let's move to how to get started with Binance Simple Earn. So, getting started with Binance Simple Earn is straightforward. Just follow the simple steps we're about to explore. Before you start, make sure you have the cryptocurrency you plan to stake in your spot wallet. The first step is to log into your Binance account. Next, tap on the Earn icon from the recommended icons. Alternatively, you can select More. After that, scroll down to the Earn category and select it to begin. Once you've done that, choose Simple Earn to proceed. From there, select the cryptocurrency you intend to stake. You can also use a search box to find the cryptocurrency by typing its name. Next, choose Flexible for flexible staking, or select a duration from 10 to 120 days for locked staking. Once you're done with that, tap on Subscribe to continue. From there, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. You can tap Max to stake all. After that, confirm your staking details, accept the Binance Simple Earn terms by clicking the provided box, and tap Confirm to finalize your staking process. After completing these steps, you will receive an in-app notification confirming your staking. Your earnings will start depositing into your spot wallet daily, beginning 24 hours after staking, and will continue until the redemption day. To track your staking, go to Wallet and select Earn, and then select Products. And that's it. Now, while Binance Simple Earn offers an excellent opportunity to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings, it's crucial to consider some factors before diving in. First and foremost, remember that cryptocurrency investments are subject to market volatility. The value of your holdings can fluctuate significantly, so it's essential to assess your risk tolerance and make investment decisions that align with your comfort level. Additionally, the lockup period for your funds is a key consideration. Once you commit your assets to a staking or investment option, you cannot withdraw them until the specified lockup period concludes. Make sure you are comfortable with this time frame and that it suits your financial strategy before proceeding. So Binance Simple Earn provides a valuable way for users to generate passive income from their cryptocurrency holdings. And with a range of investment options featuring varying time frames and returns, it's easy to get started with. However, potential investors should carefully consider their risk tolerance and the lockup periods associated with different investment choices. Overall, Binance Simple Earn is a great feature for those who are looking to enhance passive income on their crypto holdings. For those who are yet to create a Binance account and are finding it difficult, be sure to check out our tutorial on opening a Binance account, as well as the other Binance tutorials on this channel that cover various aspects of the platform. Once again, don't forget to use my referral code to enjoy a discount. I have left it in the description and comment section below, so be sure to check it out. I'll help you save a lot of money. We also have more videos like this on the way, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.